Hey guys, welcome. This is the last time I'll be driving the Almera. We had the Almera for about 5.5 years now, and this is my last drive. Going to pick up my son, going back home, and the used car guy is coming over to pick up the car. Raymond is the name from Strabon that's coming over, and it's bittersweet. I'm taking back the memories we had with the car. Went to Phuket twice. No, Phuket. We went to Hat Yai twice in this car. We went to Penang, JB, lots of places, lots of memories. It's the one car which has never ever broken down, touch wood. It's the most reliable car I ever had, Almera. Truly a workhorse, never once skipped a beat. We bought it the same month as my son when he was born. Same day, I think. Yeah, it was registered on the same day my son was born. So my wife delivered to my son, and the same day the car came out. So it's a very special car. Thinking back for all the years we had the car with, 5.5 years, it's definitely special. People talk about cars and memories and being part of our lives, family member, and I think it's so true. This is part of a family. Seeing it go, it's hard, but seeing that we can't use it as much as we used to, that hurts more. A car should be used, look after. If you have a car that's not used and look after, you know what, let it go. And no matter how hard it is, Almera WC1505M, I love you. By the way, we never name our cars.